Alright, so number one says Mary and Roberto bought identical backpacks at different stores. Mary's backpack originally cost $65 and was discounted 25%. Roberto's backpack originally cost $75 and was on sale for 30% off the original price. Which backpack was the better buy? So what we want to do is, we decided as a class that for Mary's, the discount was 25, but what we're doing, is taking and subtracting that from 100. So the percent, 100% minus the 25 is going to give us 75%. So really we have 75% is what we still need to pay. Step 2 we said is move our decimal point over 2 places to the left. So now I have 0.75. And then step 3 is multiply it by the original cost, which was $65. So when I multiply 0.75 times the $65, it's going to give me for Mary $48.75. Let's go ahead and do Roberto. Again, step 1, what we're saying is take and subtract the discount percent from 100. So 100 minus 30, which is 70%. We're going to move our decimal point over 2 places to the left. So now we have 0.75 times 0.70 times the original price, which was $75. So 0.70 times $75, and that is going to give us for Roberto $52.50. So who got the better deal here? What do you think? Mary's, yeah, for $48.75. Your explanation of just showing me all of your work, I'm going to be able to understand why you chose that as long as you tell me that it was Mary. What if, this didn't ask it, but what if I were to say, okay, with Mary, she had to pay a 5% tax. Let's just pretend it didn't ask us that. What if we need to find a 5% tax on now our sale price? Does anyone remember how to figure that out? What do I do first to find a 5% tax? What do you think? Yep.
Add 100.
Add 100 to the 5. So if it's a 5% tax, we're going to add 100%. So we end up with 105%. Step 2, then we're going to move our decimal point over 2 places, and we have 1.05. And you multiply it again by your sale price, okay? Not the original, but the sale price. So it would have been $48.75 times that 1.05. And it ends up being $51.19. It's still cheaper even if Mary would have had a sales tax, okay? So that's a reminder on how to do sales tax. The next problem, number 2, is set up a little differently because they're giving you the sale price. So what my suggestion is to always put the sale price over the original price. Sorry for my abbreviations. And then the percent paid over 100. So for example, if we were to solve this one about the inline skates, they're on sale for $90. So line equals line. We're going to put our 100 here. The sale price is 90. If this represents 9% discount, so if it's a 9% discount, what percent am I actually paying? 91. So you took 100 minus the 9%. We're paying 91%. So our percent paid goes up here. And then this gives us our X, our original price. So when I do cross products, I get 91X equals, cross products, I get 9,000. Divide by 91, cancel. And 9,000 divided by 91 gives us what? Rounded to the nearest cent. What'd you get?
$98.90.
Yep. So the price of the original inline skates were $98.90. Does this make sense? If the new price was $90 and the old price, the original was $98.90, it seems reasonable.